Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're working on holiday sugar cookies. This is my second cookie recipe of the 2022 cookie series. Make sure you check out my oatmeal raisin cookie from my previous video. I'll make sure to link the card so you can easily find it. But right now, let's get into our holiday sugar cookies. Here are the ingredients that you'll need. Add your shortening and your sugar to a bowl, and we're going to use a hand mixer to mix those until they're well incorporated. And we're just going to use our hand mixer just to get all our wet ingredients well incorporated. Now go ahead and scrape your bowl down. Then we're going to add our eggs and the remainder of our wet ingredients, which is our milk and our vanilla extract. We're going to get that well incorporated and we're going to set it aside. In a separate bowl, whisk all of your dry ingredients together. Take half of your dry ingredients and add them to the wet mixture. And we're going to use a spatula to fold those in. This will prevent us from overworking the dough.
My head over water for the first time in years. Got my feet across the border from a land of tears. Ain't no way I'm going back under. Got my eyes in the wild blue yonder. Will lies beyond the horizon? Let's go find out.
This cookie dough is pretty sticky, so we need to refrigerate it for about 1 hour. You can simply place your dough into an airtight container or make it into a log, which is my preference because I like to make cookie slices. So I have some freezer paper, and you can also use parchment paper, and I'm also using a cookie tray to help shape my log. Then I'll take the whole thing and wrap it in plastic wrap and put it in the refrigerator.
Now things are moving along and I'm picking up speed. I'm singing my own songs and making ends meet.
I have a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper, and we're going to slice our cookies into 1-inch pieces and place them on the cookie sheet. So now we're going to use a cookie press to flatten our cookies out. If you don't have a cookie press, you can use the bottom of a glass. Then we're going to place them into a 400 degrees oven for about 6 minutes. Our cookies are done, and I have allowed them to cool. For an added touch, I melted some white chocolate, and I'm just going to simply ice in the top of my cookies. Add some sprinkles of your choice, and you're all done. I want to thank you for joining me today. And look, please give these cookies a try. They have a very unique flavor. And the white chocolate on top is a perfect balance. And until next time, remember to keep life simple. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. And I'll see you soon. Bye for now.